everyone, ever wondered what accountants really do? Maybe you have heard terms like tax accounting or forensic accounting and thought, is this all about crunching numbers or is there more to it? Today, we are exploring the 5 main types of accounting with Imarticus learning, from handling everyday finances to solving financial crimes. Trust me, it's more interesting than it sounds. Let's dive in. First up, we have financial accounting, the OG of accounting. This is all about creating financial statements for external users like investors, creditors, and regulatory bodies. Basically, it's about showing the world how a company is doing financially. Example, let's take the example of PepsiCo. Each year, PepsiCo prepares financial statements to show its performance. The balance sheet highlights what the company owns and owes. The income statement covers its revenues and expenses, and the cash flow statement shows cash movements. Together, these give a clear snapshot of PepsiCo's financial health. Now, let's talk about managerial accounting, the behind-the-scenes hero. This one's for the internal team, especially the managers, to help them make strategic decisions and improve efficiency. Example, imagine a company, ABC Limited, planning for the next year. Managerial accountants review past numbers, project future revenue, and design a budget to optimize spending. Essentially, they are like the GPS, guiding the company to reach its goals effectively. Next on our list is tax accounting, the type that makes sure businesses comply with tax laws and minimize tax liabilities. If you have ever filed a tax return, you know tax accounting can get complicated. Example, picture this. DEF Enterprises, a small business, is preparing its taxes. The tax accountant reviews every transaction, applies eligible deductions, and files the return. Tax accounting not only keeps the business compliant, but also helps reduce tax legally. Win-win. And here's where it gets thrilling. Forensic accounting. Think of it as CSI, but for financial records. Forensic accountants investigate financial fraud and often work with law enforcement. Example, let's say there's a suspected fraud at GHJ Corporation. A forensic accountant dives into the records, traces suspicious transactions, and uncovers evidence of embezzlement. It's a crucial role, especially in legal cases where financial evidence is key. Finally, we have auditing. This type of accounting ensures accuracy in financial records and compliance with regulations. Auditors, both internal and external, verify a company's records to ensure nothing's out of place. Example, imagine an external auditor reviewing JKL Inc's books. They check the records for accuracy, verify internal controls, and ensure compliance with standards. Auditing keeps companies transparent and trustworthy. So, there you have it, the 5 main types of accounting: financial, managerial, tax, forensic, and auditing. Each plays a unique role in the business world. Whether it's preparing financial statements, helping managers make decisions, ensuring tax compliance, investigating fraud, or conducting audits, accounting is essential to business. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell for more informative videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.